Okay, hello, welcome to my video. And here with me, I am Putri Dezalna. My name is 4242201081. Okay, here I will express my opinion about the strength and weaknesses of delivering presentation style. There are four that I will discuss. There is, for the first, presentation using the reading a script. Presentation using the reading a script style have strengths and weaknesses that are important to consider. That is 1. Strength, accuracy, and correctness. Reading from a manuscript allows the presenter to ensure that all information is conveyed correctly and without error. This is especially important in situations where the information conveyed must be accurate, such as scientific presentation or official reports. 2. Thorough preparation. With a pre-prepared manuscript, the presenter can ensure that every point is well planned and organized. This helps in avoiding mistakes and ensure a logical flow of the presentation. 3. Reduce nervousness for individuals who may feel nervous when speaking in public. Reading from a manuscript can provide a sense of security and reduce anxiety. Manuscript acts as a guide that help maintain focus and reduce the chance of forgetting or getting lost. And for weaknesses in this style is 1. Less interactive and boring. Presentation with a manuscript reading style can feel monotone and not interactive. Auditory context might feel less engaging due to the lack of eyes. Voice variety and dynamic typically found in more spontaneous presentation style. 2. Appearance stiff. Reading directly from a manuscript can make the presenter appear stiff and unnatural. This can reduce the effectiveness of non-verbal communication, such as facial expression and body movements, which are important in conveying message more convincingly and engagingly. Lack of flexibility. Presenter may have difficulty adapting to audience response or change the situation during the presentation due to over-reliance on pre-writing text. This can reduce the ability to improvise or answer questions directly and relevantly. And conclusion about this style is the reading the script presentation style is very effective in ensuring the accuracy of the information, as well as providing a sense of security for the presenter. However, it is important to be aware of drawbacks such as potential audience boredom and lack of engagement. Okay, move to second style, that is presentation using the memorization. Presentation using the memorization style also have advantages and disadvantages that need to be reviewed. Namely, for strength this style, 1. Order and fluency. Memorizing a presentation allow the presenter to deliver the material in a structured and fluid manner without needing to look at note or a manuscript. This can give a professional and well-organized impression. 2. Eye contact and interaction. By memorizing the material, the presenter can more fairly with the audience, maintain contact, and respond directly to direction. This increases audience engagement and trust. 3. Confidence delivery. Mastering material through memorization can increase a presenter's confidence because they know what to say next and don't have to worry about forgetting important point. And for weakness in this style is 1. Risk of forgetting and blanks. One of the biggest risks of memorizing a presentation in the possibility of forgetting certain parts of the material. If this happens, the presenter can experience confusion and shortcomings that are difficult to overcome in the middle of the presentation. 2. Sounding less natural. Completely memorized presentation can sometimes sound too organized and less spontaneous, which can make the audience feel that the presentation is less natural or too mechanical. And 3. Long preparation time. Okay, memorizing a presentation requires a lot of time and effort in preparation. Presenter must spend a lot of time memorizing and practicing in order to deliver the material smoothly. Conclusion in this style is rote style presentation can be very effective in providing a professional, structured impression and allowing for better interaction with the audience. However, disadvantages include the risk of forgetting, weakness, and the potential for sounding unnatural. Okay, we move to third style, that is impromptu style presentations. Impromptu style presentations, namely speaking spontaneously without preparation or a prepared script, have a advantage and disadvantage that need to be considered. Namely, okay, for strengths, there are 1. High flexibility. The impromptu style allow the presenter to adapt the presentations to the situation and needs of the audience directly. This allow for quick response to question or feedback. 2. Spontaneous and natural impressions. Impromptu presentations often sound more natural and authentic. Audience tend to connect more with presentations that feel spontaneous and not contrived. 3. Developing quick thinking ability. Making impromptu presentation help hone the ability to think quickly and speak effectively without lengthy preparations. And for the weaknesses is risk of the lack of structure. Without thorough preparation, an impromptu presentation can lack structure and lose logical flow. This can make it difficult for your audience to follow the main points. 2. Possibility of missing important point. In impromptu situation, the presenter may forget to convey important points or crucial data that should be conveyed, which can reduce the effectiveness of the presentation. 3. Nervousness and lack of confidence. For many people, speaking spontaneously in public can cause nervousness and lack of confidence, especially if they are not used to this type of situation. Conclusion, from impromptu style presentation have advantage in terms of flexibility, interaction with the audience, and a natural, spontaneous impressions. However, disadvantages include the risk of the lack of structure, the possibility of missing important point, and the potential for nervousness. Okay, next we move to the last style, and that is an extemporaneous presentation. Extemporaneous presentation is a method where the presenter speaks naturally using only not or important point as a guide rather than reading a script or memorizing text. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, one, access. One, ability to adapt. By using only key points as a guide, presenters can more easily adapt presentation content to audience response and interest, as well as deal with interruption or sudden change. 2. Natural and confident impression. Extemporaneous presentation usually sound more natural and confident than reading a script. This can increase credibility and connection with the audience. 3. Freer use of body language. Presenter can use body language, gesture, and facial expression more freely, which help convey the message more effectively. And for the lack in this style is 1. Possibility of missing important point. There is a risk that the presenter may forget to convey some important point or important detail if they are not organized enough or focus too much on particular aspect of the presentations. 2. Risk of nervousness. For some people, speaking without a complete script can cause nervousness, especially if they are not used to this style. Nervousness can interfere with your flow and talk and fluency in speaking. 3. Time control. Because extemporaneous presentations are more spontaneous, there is a risk of the presentation being too long or too short. Okay, conclusion in this style is the extemporaneous presentation style offer advantage in terms of balance between preparation and spontaneity, adaptability, and increased interaction with the audience. However, disadvantages include the need for good preparation, the risk of forgetting important points, and the potential for nervousness. Okay, based on what I said in this discussion, I will choose two presentation styles that are good in my opinion, namely the extemporaneous style and the memorization styles. The reason why I prefer extemporaneous is because this style can help with good public speaking skill and deliver material clearly and don't forget important point. And when we use this impromptu style, we have important note which can help us when we forget text during a presentations. Secondly, I prefer memorization. The reason for preferring this style is because in my opinion, this style allows us to better understand the point of the material that we will convey to the audience. This memorization style allows us to focus more on the audience, and the audience will understand when we explain the material with eye contact or body gesture. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.